Hi, welcome to Mom's Trini Cooking. Today is number 4 in my Trinidad Sunday lunch series. Today I will be making stew red bean. If you want to see how I make my stew red bean, keep watching. For my stew red bean, this is what you will need. I have 3 cups of red kidney beans that I soak overnight, and this is what it look like. A medium-sized onion, 1 hot Congo pepper, you don't have to burst it, just put it like that. 2 pimento, optional if you don't have pimento. Ketchup, golden ray, 2 medium tomatoes that we'll be using also. 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 stalk of green onions or scythe as we call it in Trinidad. Thyme, I'm going to put the thyme in just in big pieces like this because I'll take them out after. And about 6 cloves of garlic crushed. I'm going to show you how I put everything together after. Keep watching. Making stew red beans is 2 parts to it. You boil it and then you stew it after. I'm going to put all the stuff in that I showed you before. I'm going to put the red bean in. And minus the ketchup and the tomatoes. That's for stewing after together with more ingredients. I put a lot of seasoning in when I'm boiling it because to get the beans infused with all these delicious flavors and tastes of all the seasoning. And sometimes it is so yummy. I don't even stew it after. It tastes so good just like that, and the kids love it. So I'm gonna let it boil for slowly with all the seasoning in here like this for maybe 30 to 45 minutes. This is what it looked like here. Just give it a stir and we'll cover it when it starts boiling and just let it cook. And oh, my sazon, that's for color, to give it a really nice rich red color. See? But look at the color with the sazon. It's so beautiful. So we'll let this boil here for, like I said, half an hour or 45 minutes. I'll show you when I get there. My red bean has been boiling for around 25 minutes or so. I'm going to check it. I think it's ready. And it surprised me. This one boiled really fast. Every red bean is different. You know, sometimes it boils like really fast, sometimes it doesn't. Look at that. See, it's so tender. So I'm going to take it off like this, and I'm just going to show you how I stew it after. I'm going to stew my red beans now, and I'm using the same ingredients as before. It seemed like a lot of ingredients, but you want really nice taste, that's what you got to do. So I'm going to add all the ingredients in here, same as before. My onions, my pimento, scallions or green onions, or slice, like you say in Trinidad. Garlic, thyme, and tomatoes is going in now, but you know what, I'll do the ketchup first, then the tomatoes, and then the golden ray. So I'm going to add the ketchup now and let it fry to get the sweetness into the seasoning there that I have. So I'm just going to fry it up there like this. I'm frying it on medium heat here. I'll put my golden ray in now. And my tomatoes. You can always taste for the salt when you throw your red bean. If you need more salt, you may or you may not. So this mixture here has to fry about 3 minutes before we add the red beans there. Just for the tomatoes and everything to cook together. Smells so good. I'm just going to give it a little taste here because I'm thinking I may need some salt because of the tomatoes. So I'll just try it here and see. I do. So I'm going to just put a little bit in there. Maybe like a 1/4 teaspoon or so. It looks ready, so I'm going to add my boiled red bean to the mixture here. I'm going to use my cultural to put it in because I don't want to get burned. So I'll add a little at a time like this, and then I'll add the rest. Mix it up just like this. Wow, looks so good. I'm going to add the rest of the mixture now to it like this. Just going to give it a stir like this. Wow, so good. Now it looks like it has a lot of gravy in here, a lot of liquid, but you know what happens when it gets cool? It thickens up, so you don't want to leave it too thick as to start with. A lot of gravy in this will be nice. I'll let it boil down for a little bit to get some of the gravy down, but please leave a lot, and that way you get the better taste and everything off it. It's finished now. This is what it looks like when it's finished, see? And it will even thicken up more when it cools. But you want to have a lot of gravy because you like throwing the gravy over the macaroni pie and the rice and the stew chicken and everything. So I'm going to take it off like this, turn the stove off. That's it. So good. Fourth dish for my Trinidad Sunday lunch series, red bean. Delicious. You gotta try it. Let me know if you do. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.